Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing the bluebird. With their vivid blue backs and rust-colored chests, bluebirds are a splash of color signaling the arrival of spring. In this video, we'll get to know these colorful songbirds, their different species, nesting habits, conservation status, and cultural connections. Bluebird species. While the eastern bluebird is likely the most familiar, two other bluebird species occur in the western half of the continent. Western bluebird, found along the Pacific coast from Canada to California. Males have a bright blue throat outlined in white. Mountain bluebird inhabits the Rockies, Great Plains, and high deserts. Males have a blue throat with a thin white border. Females of all three have more subdued grayish-blue backs and pale underparts. Bluebirds build their exquisite grass nests. Bluebirds use existing cavities to nest each spring, often old woodpecker holes or human-made nest boxes placed in open habitat. Their nesting timeline is: location: open meadows, pastures, parks with some trees, backyards. Timing: early spring, usually March to May depending on climate. Nest construction: the female builds a neat cup-shaped grass nest in 2 to 6 days. Eggs: she lays one light blue egg daily until 4 to 7 eggs fill the nest, then incubates them. Hatchlings: both parents feed the nestlings for 16 to 19 days till fledged. Bluebird populations across North America. Estimates put total bluebird numbers around 36 million across their range. Northern birds migrate south for winter, while southern mountain and western bluebirds may remain nearer breeding areas year-round. Many demonstrate strong nest site fidelity, returning to the same boxes annually, with 10-plus year lifespans recorded. What do bluebirds eat? Bluebirds mainly eat insects, especially early in summer. But they shift to consuming fruits and berries once cold weather reduces insect activity. Some favorite foods are: summer foods: grasshoppers, crickets, beetles, and caterpillars. Ants, bees, wasps, flying insects. Fall and winter foods: dogwood, sumac, elder, and pokeberry fruits. Raisins, currants, cherries, grapes. Fun facts. Beyond their spring symbolism, bluebirds offer additional connections with people. As cavity nesters, they rely on nest boxes where tree holes are scarce. Several Native American tribes considered bluebirds spiritual messengers. They are the state bird of both Missouri and New York. Bluebird fans record activity to advance scientific knowledge. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more birds care video.